Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle seat in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle seat to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Hollow Road MTB Bicycle Front Saddle. Specifications: Model number, NDRM5. Category, front seat mat. Shell material, imitation leather. Use, road bicycles. User, unisex. Origin, Taiwan, China. Number 4 is Gela Bicycle Carbon Fiber Saddle. Specifications: Brand name, Maroka. Model number, K3+. Type, road bike saddle. Customized, yes. Size, 240 by 121 by 42 mm. Category, front seat mat. Shell material, carbon fiber. Use, road bicycles. User, unisex. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, our RYET 3D printed carbon bike saddle. Specifications: Model number, RT05. Type, road bike saddle. Customized, yes. Size, 240 by 140 mm. Category, backseat mat. Shell material, carbon fiber. Use, mountain bikes. User, unisex. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 is Bucklow's 3D printed bicycle saddle. Specifications: Brand name, Bucklow's. Model number, 700510. Shell material, carbon. Material, carbon fiber. Use, road bicycles. User, unisex. Size, 240 by 145 mm. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have our RYET Carbon 3D printed saddle. Specifications: Brand name, Lexan. Model number, RT03. Type, road bike saddle. Customized, yes. Size, 245 by 143 mm. Category, front seat mat. Shell material, carbon fiber. Use, mountain bikes. User, unisex. Origin, mainland China.